Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming access, open Play Console, and ensure you have owner or developer permissions. Once done, enable the Play Integrity API in Google Cloud and link the same project to your Play Console. This is critical so tokens validate. Make sure to record your app package name and the SHA-256 of your signing key for configuration. You should also design how you will generate and validate nonces on server side. These steps allow the server and Play to exchange trusted tokens. Now implement your server endpoint to receive and validate Play Integrity JWTs. You will act on these tokens. Fetch Google's public keys and cache them, because signature verification is mandatory and keys rotate. Verify the JWT header, signature, issuer, audience, and expiry, then decode the payload. Parse the verdict fields such as account integrity, device integrity, and app integrity to decide whether to allow sensitive features. If an integrity failure occurs, downgrade access and log details for analysis. On the client, request an integrity token from Play and forward it to your server over TLS with authentication. Do not validate on client alone. Once the server approves, grant the requested capability. Make sure to implement retry logic and respect rate limits, and to monitor logs for repeated failures. If things keep failing, rotate your key store or API keys. Confirm package name and signing SHA-256 match configuration, and review server signature verification steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.